Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got all of these shoes and I'm going to tell you exactly how much I paid for them and how much I'm going to make. All right, so let me give you the specifications on this particular pallet. Okay, this is a via trading pallet of assorted shoes. I paid $525 for it. It was shipped here for $110 because I ordered multiple pallets. So that's partly why my shipping is lower. And I go with a little bit of a less expensive shipping person because it doesn't matter to me when it gets here. Sometimes it's a little slower the cheaper you go, but that's all right. Total of $635, 150 pairs of shoes for a grand total of $4.24 per pair. So they were all stacked on this wooden pallet here, and I've got them all dispersed out here. If you haven't seen my first video, then make sure you check that out. It'll be linked at the end of this, and you can see me unbox each and every one. And so you know, I actually did take it totally from wrapped in cellophane to brand new out here. So this pair of shoes, it's a really cute DV designed by Dolce Vita. This, I believe I can get, so I'm giving you prices on Poshmark after fees and how much I think I'm going to actually pocket. Okay, so this is $20 a piece. I think I've got 3 pairs of these for a total of $60. Then I've got this really cute pair of a New Day kind of pump, like wet. Well, they're kind of like a round pump. Really cute suede, kind of a burgundy color. They are $10 a piece is what I think I can make after fees and after shipping for a total of 32 of these. If you look over to the pallet there, that's where the rest of them are. I didn't want to move them all. They were fine staying there. And then I've got these really cute brown combat boots with the zipper up the side. I think I'm going to make about $10 a piece on these. The nice thing about these is I've already got these listed, so all I have to do is adjust my variations and sizes on the Poshmark app. If you're interested in any of these shoes, I'll have them listed in a couple of hours. And so you can look for them at my Paul Hooks Poshmark store, or just check the link in the description below. These really cute kind of wedge cork heels, $20 a piece. I've got 4 of them for a total of $80. I didn't tell you I have 3 of these, so a total of $30 a profit. Then I've got these black flats, which I've already got listed on Poshmark, but I think I can make about $5 a piece after fees. $75 total for the amount that I have here. Then of course I already told you what those were. Then I've got these really cute Skechers, these white kids tennis shoes. They look like that. $15 a piece. I've got 6 pair for a total of $90 total on those. And then I've got these cute black combat boots, just like the brown ones, but they're black. So $10 again is what I think I can make and profit for a total of $30. Then I've got these really cute, tall, winter combat boots, brown ones, size 7.5. Those I think I can make $30 a piece. I've got 3 of them for a total of $90 on those. Then I have tons of these sandals, which are fabulous sandals, by the way. Let me get the one that I've got opened. They look just like that, and I call them fabulous sandals because if you look down, I'm actually wearing them. So I wear these all the time. If you've seen any of my other videos, I usually have them on in my videos, especially in the summertime. They're very comfortable. $5 a piece is what I think I can make on this. And I've got a total of 39 of them for $195 total. And then here are all my kids' shoes. So I'm not a big fan of selling kids' shoes just because they usually don't sell for a lot, but you'd be surprised. Every once in a while, I sell them for good money. So I've got some cute little, like these little ones already sold out from my last set that I bought, so I was actually glad to see more of these in there. They sold super fast, but I've got lots of little kids shoes that I think I'm going to make about $5 a piece. There will be some that I make a little more than 5, some a little less than 5, but on the average I'm going to make about $5 a piece for a total of 45 different pairs of shoes, and then a total of $225. So let's go back over here. I'm going to give you my specs and my totals now that you have all of those numbers. So remember, this is a via trading assorted shoes pallet. I paid $525 for it. Shipping was $110, total of $635. My total, I believe that I can make in all the numbers I just gave you is $1,195. If I take off my $635, that gives me $560 of profit. It's going to take me about 2 hours to get all of these listed and put up on my shelf, and so that they're out of the way. So I'm okay with about an hour of unboxing and 2 hours worth of work making $560 profit. Now, it will take a little while for some of these to sell because I've got multiples of a lot of them, but they will sell. That's something I definitely know. That's why I buy these shoe pallets, and it's been really, really awesome to get these. So hopefully it's been helpful to see how much I'm going to make, $560 of profit, after I pay myself back for what it costs for this pallet. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
Don't know how to get to Via Trading? Click the link in the description below. Via Trading was also awesome enough to create a coupon code for my viewers only. Use the coupon code HOOKED, shown in the description below.
This code will give you $50 off your very first order of $250 or more from Via Trading.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin' Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin' Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks! Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.